Welcome back, everybody, to Roaming Speed. Today we're going to do a camper upgrade to the touchscreen or touchpad RV lock. So stay tuned, and we're going to open the box, see how it comes packed, all that, look at the instructions, and get this installed. They say it's about a 10-minute install, so we'll see how that goes, and we'll give a quick review on this install on a 2021 Kodiak Cub. Stay tuned, everybody. As you can see, this is the RVlock keyless handle. This is the new standard size. We'll hold it up when we get outside and kind of compare it to what we have. They have one that's a little bit longer. The keys are a little more separate, so you know, for some people that have some larger hands, or you know, their motor functions aren't as well, they may look into going to the bigger one. But I went for the compact one that matches our current design. So opening this up, comes with some kind of bubble wrap overlay, and it looks like, you know, what you'd think a lock would look like for it. Excuse me, that was super loud, I'm sure. So, as you can tell, comes the exterior keypad, the brains of it, I guess, maybe the battery pack aspect of it. There's the keys, the lock, and I guess this is how they go together, like this. So we have that. We have the other ones. Here's what we got. Here's the one I was talking about. The keypad's a little larger with the lock and unlock buttons. So if you have the room, you may want to do that, but this is kind of what we have currently, so this is what I went with. And how to program and instructions. They say it's really easily, basically take the screws out of your current one and attach this one, and it's good to go. Comes with the remote. So we'll get that installed, and a new striker and all the screws. So stay tuned, and we'll get this installed and see how it goes. Alright guys, so real simple. These 4 screws and these 2 on the striker. So I'm going to use my quick little impact. Buzz these out real quick. Alright, so we got those 4 out. We're going to come here to the striker and take these out. Careful not to drop them in the grass. So now, take the striker out. Notice the larger side was on the outside. The inner side, I don't know if that's gonna make a difference, but I just wanted to make note. That way if anybody else is looking for this, and then pull that out. That's it. Now you have a brand new camper with no lock in it. So let me grab the other one and we'll throw it in here and see how it goes. Alright guys, I think what we're gonna do is put it together the same way we took it apart. So this was gonna go on the outside. So slide it in there. Alright guys, you saw that. I had to clean it up just a little bit. It's really tight in there. So what we're gonna do, get the styrofoam off of us. And I think what we're going to do is go ahead and put this striker plate on. So remember, that big side goes on the front. So I switched to the hand for right now, and just to be a little more gentle. So we'll hook this up here. You can hear it beeping. So then it looks like this will rest inside of here. So you can see it's hard to get everything lined up, but once you get it, it goes together pretty quick. So we are going to keep putting screws in. I'm going to do the opposites just to make sure the torque comes evenly across it. It's looking really good. So we'll put these last couple in there. Go ahead and put this guy in there. You can see it's already moving. It's getting dark on me, so I'm gonna go ahead and button this up and we'll be right back. All right, everybody, we have got it on. As you can tell, we are working and we've got it all set up. So the default code, I'll go ahead and show you, is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna lock it. You can hear it, and it is locked. So to unlock it, just do the opposite, and hit unlock. And you're good to go. So this is to learn the key fob. And let's see, let's move the screen door out of the way. You can tell it's gotten dark on me. It's a beautiful night out. But all in all, it is pretty good. Good size, good design. So we'll give it a few trips. We got a weekend trip coming up very soon, so we're gonna give it a shot, and I'll give you guys a follow-up review in the future. All right, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed the install. I did a very basic one on it. There's tons of videos out there. I just wanted you guys to see it on a Kodiak Cub. Real quick, here's the remote that I kind of mentioned. There's a button in there. You, excuse me, you push learn and then you program these buttons. And so if we had one on our front door, we can use this one, and say we have one on our cargo door, we can utilize this one. So you can program up to 10 of these, so if you have family that needs them on a larger unit. A couple quick things. I didn't think about it when I bought this. I could run one of these on my back door, and if you buy them at the same time, you can get them keyed the same. So you could have one key to override the keypads if you ever have a problem with them. But all in all, it seems like a pretty good product. Everything went together really easily. So if you have any questions or comments, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll try to get back to you. But other than that, keep rowing.